Hello everyone! Welcome to New English Learning Channel. Today, we will learn about the present tense in English. The present tense helps us talk about things we do every day, facts, and things happening now. Don't worry, we will learn step by step with easy examples. Let's begin. Part 1. What is present tense? We use the present tense to talk about daily routines, habits, facts, and actions happening now. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. She plays football. They are studying now. Let's see the examples one more time. Daily routine. I eat breakfast every morning. Habit. She plays football. Happening now. They are studying now. There are different present tenses, but two of the most important ones for beginners are present simple and present continuous. Today, in this video, we will learn present simple tense. Part 2. Present simple tense. We use the present simple for habits, routines, and facts. Structure. For most subjects, I, you, we, they, plus verb. Examples. I play football. You study English. They live in London. For he, she, it, we usually add s to the verb. He, she, it, plus verb, plus s. Examples. He works every day. She likes coffee. It rains a lot here. Part 3. Daily routine examples. Listen carefully to these examples. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She brushes her teeth. He goes to school. They eat dinner together. These are habits and routines. We use the present simple because these actions happen often. Let's see these examples one more time. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She brushes her teeth. He goes to school. They eat dinner together. Part 4. Negative sentences. Now let's make negative sentences. We use do not, does not. Structure. I, you, we, they, plus do not, plus verb. Examples. I do not like tea. They do not play tennis. For he, she, it. He, she, it, plus does not, plus verb. Examples. She does not watch TV. He does not eat meat. Remember, after does not, the verb goes back to normal. Correct. He does not play. Not, he does not plays. Part 5. Questions. Now let's make questions. We use do, does. Examples. Do you speak English? Do they live here? Does she work at a bank? Does he like pizza? Let's see these examples with short answers. Do you speak English? Short answer. Yes, I do. Do they live here? Short answer. No, they don't. Does she work at a bank? Short answer. Yes, she does. Does he like pizza? Short answer. No, he doesn't. Part 6. Simple practice. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I wake up early every day. They play football after school. We eat dinner at 7 o'clock. The sun rises in the east. We live in a big city. The train arrives at 8 a.m. She dances very well. we study English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.